Hey there, friend. Today, we're diving back into the world of high-end power with our friends over at CableTime. They've sent over two heavy hitters, a 140W GaN Desk Charger and a PD3.1 Magnetic Cable that is, quite frankly, the most satisfying thing that I've touched all week or in a very long time. Now, full disclosure, the desk charger that they sent me, it is the international specification. So while the pins don't match my Canadian wall outlets just yet, the tech inside is universal. We're going to unbox these, feel the premium build quality, and I'm going to show you how to save some serious cash. You can use code ERLIC20 for 20% off anything at the links in the description. Let's get into it. Thank you so much, CableTime, for sending over these two really cool complementary devices. First, we've got the 140W GaN PD3.1 USB Desk Charger. And this is, I think, exactly what it looks like. A beautiful device that sits on your desk. It's going to route power into it and allow you to charge multiple items. And to keep it clean, to keep it cool, to keep everything at top power delivery, we've got this 240W USB-C cable, which is magnetic. I am really excited to check this out, to see how it feels, because, you know, cables are messy. They're not terribly beautiful, you know, and any way that you can keep things clean and organized and effective is absolutely perfect for me. So first we'll get into this desktop charger. Got a couple of claims on the box here. You've got the, of course, the GaN technology, the 140W max single power, and it's got the 4-in-1. So very straightforward. Got a little instruction manual in here. I'm pretty sure we put some power in the back and plug some devices in the front. If you want to check out the social media for CableTime, there they've got the little QR codes and little warranty card here. And I know for sure CableTime has, what do we have here? So there is like a 2-year service policy here. So if you got any problems, contact CableTime. I'm sure they're going to help you out, make things right. Inside the box, this has got a little bit of heft to it. Of course, it's a desktop device. It's not designed, you know, to be necessarily portable, but it feels quite substantial. But that's nice. I'm looking for something that's quality, and I'm hoping, one of the big hopes for me, is that it doesn't drag around the desk. Now, this is really unfortunate. They've actually sent me the, I don't know if this is European or whatnot. This is not going to work for my power delivery system in my home. I'm in North America, and I do have the North American system. So, I mean, I trust that it works. I have no doubt. And yeah, this is looking cool. It feels really nice, but honestly, I'm just going to keep it in the box. If you live somewhere that uses this kind of power delivery, let me know where this is from, because I would love to know. But I mean, I think this is a cool looking device. It's got the right idea. You know, it's got a nice long high quality cable on it. It's just a little bit sad that it's not going to work here in my home in North America. But this cable, this USB cable, USB-C cable, is still very, very cool looking. And if it's anything like I think it might be one of the most unique cables. Now, over the last 18 months or so on this channel, I have had literally hundreds of different cables. I have a whole drawer full of cables of all kinds. This actually feels and seems like it might be the most unique product of all. It's got a 240W power delivery capability, 480 megabit per second speeds. It's got that zinc alloy construction, again, with a 2-year warranty. So very, very nice. Let's get a look. Oh boy. Oh my gosh. This is absolutely incredible. There's actually, I think, a little plastic wrap on there. Let's get that. Yeah, let's get that off to get the full. Oh my gosh. Wow. I'm so disappointed that I can't use the desktop charger. But look at this thing. It kind of coils up on itself. Comes apart easily. And I think, yeah, just, oh my gosh, it's so nice. Oh my gosh, CableTime, this is beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful. I'm floored. I'm so thrilled at this cable. I know it's just a simple thing, but it's so beautiful. You've got this zinc alloy on these plug-in ends. They're just like, they're so sturdy, so stable. This cool, really nice, bright orange color. And then you've got the braided, like this is, oh my God, this feels so high quality. I can't express to you how beautiful this feels. I was really excited to plug this in, and give you the full effect of what this would be like. Obviously, oh yeah, it's just so good. Feels so nice. But at the end of the day, I gotta respect the power delivery of my home, and I don't have a converter for that. So, and I have a short turnaround time for my videos. If I had known that this was not the North American standard, I would have maybe gone ahead and gotten something for it. But unfortunately, that's just not gonna fly here in my house. But I'm telling you what, this magnetic cable is something special, and I am really, really looking forward to putting this to work. Test it out. I got a couple of other, desktop charging type devices, and yeah, we'll check it out and make sure it works. But I mean, gosh almighty, look at this. This thing is beautiful. Simple little branding on it, and just gorgeous, gorgeous construction. Okay, so I've got this magnetic cable here, and I got a really large portable power bank. I'm just going to plug it in. I've got my good old trusty Nintendo Switch. And you can see right here just how nice it is to be able to plug things in and only sort of uncoil just as much of the cable as you need. You can keep it really clean and really tidy on your desk. I haven't had this thing turned on in a little while, but there we go. It's charging up beautifully, just like that. And I really think this is like one of the biggest benefits of this cable is how neat and how tidy it keeps everything, which is, obviously cables are a disaster, right? They're all over the place. This little magnetic design allows you to use as much or as little without having to mess around and create a big scene. It's going to coil up, fit in your backpack. It's going to fit in your bag and just kind of go with you wherever you might need to go, depending on your cable needs. I think this is such a clever design, and I just wish I could test it with this beautiful device here, this desktop charger. But obviously, pretty straightforward how it works. You've got 3 USB-C ports here, each with varying degrees of power delivery, and then you've got your USB-A here on the bottom with the 18 watts. So, I mean, obviously, pretty straightforward, pretty slick device. So just be careful when you're on the website. Make sure when you're ordering that it matches your country. I didn't order this directly. It was sent to me directly by the company. And the other devices that they sent over were all compatible with my region. This one, I think, just slipped through the cracks. But this cable is so cool. It's so cute. It absolutely looks the part. And I wish every cable that I owned was just like this one.
Okay, so I wanted to break down the specs for these devices while you check out this infographic. On the left, we've got that 140-watt GaN 3.1 USB 4-in-1 desk charger. Now, this thing is a powerhouse. It's built for simultaneous multi-port charging and uses that GaN technology to keep things compact, safe, and it runs cool. Now, as I mentioned, the unit I have here, it is the international spec with that 2-prong European-style plug. But CableTime offers multiple regional options, including the standard North American 3-prong, so wherever you live, you should be able to power up your devices. Now, even with the different pins, the 140-watt max output and that 3.1 standard are universal across the board, so you're going to be good to go. And moving to the right, you can check out this magnetic cable, the PD 240 watt. This isn't just any USB-C cable. It's a beautiful, bright orange, braided nylon beast that supports massive 240 watt power delivery and 480 megabit per second data speeds. So you'll notice those ultra premium zinc alloy ends. They are smooth, they're blocky, they feel incredibly high-end in the hand. But honestly, the real killer feature of this cable, it's the self-magnetizing coiling cable. It literally cleans itself up. It stays organized on your desk, whether it's stretched out or coiled up tight. It's premium, it's powerful, and it looks fantastic on the desk and in your bag. Huge thanks to CableTime for supporting the channel with these latest items. The quality is consistently top tier, and that orange cable, it's an absolute game changer for that clean desk setup. Don't forget, if you want to level up your own power game, use code ERLIC20 at the links below to grab 20% off your order. And if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel and hit that like button on the video. I appreciate it so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.